how to send a file from your phone via Bluetooth to your PC. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the settings and you want to find your Bluetooth settings. So you want to go into your phone settings and you'll see it right over here. And you want to make sure that you connect to your PC or either pair it as a new device or whatever, but you need to connect to that PC. And that PC has to have Bluetooth enabled on their side as well, so you can send the file over there. So you want to connect and hit connect. So once you connect, now we're going to go into the PC to show the other part. From here, all you really have to do is go to the settings. In this case, you want to go to the Bluetooth and other device settings. And make sure that everything is selected. Make sure that it says on here on your Bluetooth that it's connected. And once you do that, you want to go down to the bottom here to this little arrow here, and you want to click on Bluetooth, and you're going to see receive a file. You can also send the file to your phone as well, but if you just want to receive a file, you have to make sure that you click receive file. Okay, I'm going to do it live and send an actual file. So let me connect to the phone. From your phone, all you really have to do is locate the file that you're going to be sending. In this case, I'm just going to send this photo of GrabHub. So you're going to go and press the little share icon on the top. And you click on that, then you're going to find Bluetooth, which it should be right there. And you're going to select where it's going. In this case, it's going to go into the desktop PC. It's going to send the file. And it's going to show a progress. If you did everything successfully, you should see this little status bar on your PC as the file is being transferred. I hope this video helped. I'll see you in the next video.